Welcome. Today we are going to discuss leveraging your LinkedIn profile and network to find suppliers and vendors that may be able to help you with a project that you have if you don't immediately know which suppliers and vendors you'd like to use, and you're going to have to resort to doing a internet search anyway. You might as well use your LinkedIn network to find folks either that you're already connected to or that your connections are connected to, and see who is most highly recommended on LinkedIn to do a better search than just a blind internet search. So from any page on LinkedIn, once you are logged in, you'll see the search box up here in the top right hand side. You can always do a quick search for people's names and company names and things like that up in this search box, but we're going to go ahead and click on the advanced link to bring up an advanced search. And here from the advanced search, you see several different filters. You can search by keyword, partial names. If you need that vendor to be within a geographic area, you can click on located in or near and type in a zip code, and then that will bring up anywhere from 10 to 100 miles that you can search within that zip code as well. Something you might want to try doing is typing in sales or whatever title might be applicable in your industry, and change that from current or past to current. So anyone with sales anywhere in their title in their current position. If there's a certain company name, obviously, that you're looking for, you can type that in there. Although up here, you can click on companies and then do a quick company search if that's really what you're looking for. So if you scroll down below, you can see that there are several different filters that you can use. So maybe you want to filter that by your industry. If you have been an open networker like I have, you've got folks that are in all different types of industries within your network. And say for the project that you've got coming up, you want to make sure that you're only searching for those people in those specific industries. Another thing you can do is leave this relationship field all LinkedIn members, or if you'd only like to search for folks that you're already connected to, you would filter that by clicking First Connections. So we're going to go with all LinkedIn members, and you'll notice these other search fields have the square in boxes next to them. Those will be available to you if you are a premium LinkedIn subscriber. If you're using the free account, those will not be available to you, so we won't use those in our example today. So if you click on search, it will bring up a list of connections, and depending on how you have these sorted, if you click up here on the top, you'll see sort by, it'll say relevance based on what, the connections it thinks are most relevant based on what you entered into the search criteria. Or you can change that to relationship plus recommendations, in which case it will show all of your first connections on the top, and then it will sort them based on who has the largest number of recommendations. You may also notice that I have the view set to expanded, so I'm seeing more information on my search results than you would get. This is the difference between a basic search result and expanded. So if you notice over here, it will show you the number of results that come up in your search, and if you hover over that, it will remind you what the criteria was that you put in there. If this is a search that you think you might want to repeat, you might want to go ahead and click the Save button over here, and that will take you to another page where you can save that search and allow it to email you new results. So if you want to connect with anyone here on these, you just have to hover over their box result here. You can send a message directly to that person through LinkedIn, or you can click on their profile to find their email address if it's someone you're already connected to. Otherwise, you would just jot down the names of the people you want to contact, and then you can send them all a message at once using your inbox through LinkedIn. So I hope that was helpful for you to find suppliers and vendors within your network. Please feel free to contact me with any questions that you have at eglau@basicsocialmediatraining.com.